Instagram is often overlooked by affiliate marketers as a platform that has limited opportunities to link out of the platform. But what you shouldn't overlook, however, is the amount of targeted traffic that you can reach in a variety of niches. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote more than just one ClickBank product on Instagram, as well as a cool hack that will enable you to add more than just one link on Instagram using videos, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily put ClickBank together with Instagram and even YouTube to make money from the product you promote. I'm going to show you the complete strategy together with a cool Instagram hack on how to add more than one affiliate link on Instagram. But before we get into all that, let me know what you think about making money on Instagram in the comments area below this video. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies with the videos you upload on YouTube, make sure to check out my crash course on how to do YouTube affiliate marketing the right way, and don't also forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. To be able to start making money on ClickBank, you first need to create an account with ClickBank. ClickBank is completely free to join, and with ClickBank, you can start promoting any product without the approval of the product owner. It's for this reason that ClickBank is a fantastic marketplace for affiliate beginners. Once you are signed up and logged into ClickBank, you want to head over to the marketplace by clicking the link on the top navigation bar. The marketplace is where you'll find different products from different categories to promote on ClickBank. ClickBank has thousands of products or offers to choose from and promote. Some are much more profitable than others. After clicking on the ClickBank Marketplace tab above, you will notice a category section on the left-hand side. This is where all the products or offers available on ClickBank are sorted into niches. Now, by clicking the small arrow on any of the niches, a drop-down menu will appear with sub-niches. If you are thinking of promoting a product in a large niche, then it's useful to use subcategories to reduce the competition. For this video example, I'm going to use the health and fitness niche to show you the process. To be able to find the relevant product in the health and fitness niche, since it's very popular and very big, you will need to use the subcategory section to find the right sub niche. In this case, I'm going to go with the diet and weight loss subcategory. Now, we need to find the best converting offer for our campaign. Now, on ClickBank, there are filters that will allow you to sort products depending on their popularity, average sale price, or gravity. The gravity feature is unique to ClickBank and is the best indicator as to which offers are converting the best. So, what is gravity on ClickBank? According to ClickBank, it's the number of distinct affiliates who earned a commission by promoting a particular product during the past 12 weeks. Basically, gravity on ClickBank is an indication of how many affiliates are currently making money from a particular product. Now, to find the product with the best gravity score, click where it says sort results by and select the gravity option. Now you can go through these product listings and look for the products with the highest gravity score. Any product with a gravity over 50 shows a good conversion. Now you should also take note that if a product have a gravity score over 200, that may be an indication of too much competition for that product, so it's best to avoid such products. In this example, I find the flat belly fix product as a perfect offer to promote. It has a healthy gravity score and an average sale of $44. Now you can click on the title of the offer to view the landing page. This will give you a better indication of what the product is all about. If the product also have a JV page, you might also want to check that out. JV page are extra pages created by the product owner packed with promotional content for anyone who wants to promote the product. Take the JV page for the flat belly fix products for example. You can use any of these images to post on Instagram, or get ideas from the images to create your own unique images and post on Instagram. Now, once you have come to a decision on which product you want to promote, click on the promote button, which will open up this pop-up for your unique affiliate link. Now, as you can see here, by promoting this product, you can earn up to a 75% commission for each sales you made on the product. Clickbank's high commission rate on all digital products is another reason why it's one of the best marketplaces for affiliate beginners. Now, to get your unique link, you need to enter your account's nickname and click on Generate Hop Link. This is the link that you'll be using on Instagram to send the traffic to. Now, just before we get into setting up your Instagram account together with the whole strategy, let's first start by shortening your Clickbank product affiliate link. This long affiliate link doesn't look attractive on posting on any website, so you want to shorten it, and we are going to be using Bitly to do that. You can easily create a free account with Bitly and use it for all your affiliate links, and the great thing about Bitly is that it gives you stats on your affiliate links that people have clicked on. After creating your account with Bitly, simply click on the create button here and paste in your Clickbank affiliate link. And after Bitly generates this short link, you can click on the save button below. Now it's time to head over to Instagram and create a profile. On Instagram, you want to fill in the sign up form and create an account. If you don't already have an account created, you need also to add a profile image which needs to be relevant to the niche of your Instagram account. Then you want to write a short description telling your followers what your account is all about, who is the account for. After doing all that, you now have a basic Instagram account. Let's now see how you can use the account to promote your Clickbank products. We all know in order for people to buy through your affiliate link, you need to make the link available for viewers. On Instagram, you are allowed to link out of the platform only in the bio section, and that is the description area here. The only problem of promoting one link on your Instagram bio area is that you hardly make money promoting just one Clickbank link. The case is different. If you have a website, for example, you could build a landing page with links, banners, and email captions to promote just about any Clickbank product in your chosen niche as much as you wish, and use just that one link to add in your Instagram bio. That's of course the recommended way of promoting Clickbank products on Instagram. But what if you're just starting out on Instagram and you don't have a website? Here are two cool ways of promoting Clickbank products on Instagram without a website. If you don't have a website that you can promote more than one offer, which you can use to link in your Instagram bio, you can also use Linktree. Linktree is a platform that you can use to link many offers in your Instagram bio. Linktree has been helping many Instagram users share many links with their followers in a very easy way. So in a sense, Linktree acts like a landing page on a website that links to many different web pages on the internet. I will drop the link to Linktree below this video. Now the second way, which is a hack, is by using Instagram stories. Most often, Instagram stories often receive a large number of views, which will increase as your account grows. Instagram stories can also be used to drive traffic back to your Clickbank offers. You probably already know how the swipe feature on Instagram works, right? Yeah, I know the swipe up feature only works with accounts with 10,000 followers and above, but what I'm talking about is not the traditional swipe up feature on Instagram. Like I mentioned before, it's a hack, which means you have to set it up for it to work. Now, I'm not going to get into how it's all set up in this video because I've already created a video on how to add links to Instagram story without being verified. Make sure to check out the video link that pops up on the top right of this video if you want to watch how to add links to Instagram story without being verified. But basically, here is how it works after setting it up. You will need to create an Instagram story image and a very short video clip. After uploading your video, you will have the option to link to any website or page in the video description area, just like you do on YouTube. That's exactly where you want to add your Clickbank product affiliate link or a link to a landing page. Now you also want to upload the image you created as a story and then link it with the video. Now below the image, you also want to add something like swipe up to watch. After doing all that, you can now post your image as a story. Again, anyone on Instagram can do this. I shared all the necessary steps in that video. Now, after posting your image as a story on Instagram, this is how it will look on your feed. Now, when people swipe up the image, Instagram will immediately redirect them to the video. If you happen to have a strong call to action at the end of your video asking your viewers to click the link in the description box, many of your viewers will click on that link, which will lead them to your Clickbank offer or a landing page which you have created with many different Clickbank offers. You can easily set up and post many of these story images on your Instagram account and start driving targeted buyers from Instagram to your Clickbank offers. Another advantage of posting Instagram stories is that they stay at the top of your profile area, which means any visitor to your profile account will be exposed to one or two of your Clickbank offers depending on how many you have posted. So there you have it. You can now go out and start promoting your Clickbank products on Clickbank with videos. And if you want more Clickbank hacks like these, make sure to check out my crash course on how to do YouTube affiliate marketing the right way. With all that, I'll call this video a wrap. I hope it was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.